channel. So today I have a very special and not special. Today I am doing a
unboxing video.
So I just received this parcel like 2 hours ago, and I really wanted to film this on camera just because it might be useful to some of you guys. So basically I've been working on the lighting, and I really wanted to improve the lighting of my videos, and so obviously I wanted like good lighting, but I didn't want to spend that much. And so I bought a ring light and a microphone from Amazon. Well, not too expensive, but it was like an okay price for me. So I wanted to do the unboxing on camera, so if it does work, and if any of you guys are interested in purchasing this, then I will leave the information in the description box down below, so you can check that out. I live in the UK and the weather is pretty much dead and dull like every single day, so I really struggle to like film because the lighting is always so shit. So I wanted to like get some sort of lighting, but obviously I didn't want to spend that much money. Like, it's just ridiculous how expensive like ring lights and softboxes can be. So I basically came across this ring light on Amazon that had pretty good reviews, so I decided to purchase it. And so yeah, so without too much talking, I am just gonna unbox this for you guys and set it up, and yeah, we'll see how the product is. So I haven't opened it yet, so I'm just gonna open it in front of you guys so you can see my honest reactions, I guess. Yeah, so basically I just tell you guys a bit more information about it. Then LED ring light, 10 inches with a small tripod stand and phone holder. And then I bought a MOVO, so I think that's Movo, VX-R10 universal video microphone. So the ring light was for £22.99 and the microphone was for £29.95. The ring light, I bought the ring light with the smaller stand tripod just because I have a tripod, so I didn't want to get the, if you wanted to get the longer one, it was I think £10 extra, so I was like, there's no point because I already have a tripod. So I went ahead with the smaller tripod. I will leave a picture of the ring light somewhere here so you guys can see how it looks. So this is how it's like from inside. Okay, I'm really nervous now. The price is so small. Okay, so firstly it's just a bunch of packaging, which, oh, so basically this is it. This is the ring light, 10 inches LED ring light. So we'll open this in a bit, and this is the microphone. So this is the ring light. Sizing, it's almost like a medium-sized pizza. Okay, it doesn't look too bad for the price. So I'm just gonna put this down and see what else it has. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so it has a leaflet with instructions on how to set it up. So this is basically the ring light. Okay, this one. Oh, I just dropped the tripod thing. Oh, actually this is the phone holder. Yep, phone holder. Oh, by the way, this is it operates through a USB cable. So obviously you need to like plug it to a power bank or your laptop. Okay, you guys, so I've just attached the tripod to the ring light, and so I'm just about to like plug it in and see what it does. And so like this is my initial reaction, so just hang in there. Okay, so are you ready? Fingers crossed it works. Oh, okay, I think I need to like turn it on. Do you guys see this? Okay, so this is one of the settings, okay? Okay, it works. Wow! Okay, so this is one of the settings, and it has 3 color temperatures and 10 brightness. So if I show you guys the leaflet, so these 3 are the different lighting temperatures that this ring light provides. Do you guys see the difference it makes to my makeup already? Like, wow. Okay, so that was the first setting. Now I'm gonna change it to the it's like a medium warm light effect temperature. Okay, so this is one of the settings. Okay, so I'm gonna like press it again so we can see the. Okay, so basically I forgot to tell you guys, it has this little switch thing, so you can basically like turn it, using this little button here, you can like turn it off and on. And then this is like a minus here, so basically I think you can like reduce the brightness, and then there's a plus here, which obviously you can increase. Using that you can increase the temperature brightness. Okay, it is. So now that's reducing the brightness. Do you guys see the difference? Okay, so that's like fully reduced. So now I'm gonna use the plus sign to bring it back up. And that is pretty cool. Okay, so then you have this little button here, which you can use to switch to the different temperatures. Okay, so this is basically one of the settings, which is basically a white light. And then this is the much more deeper and like a really warm light temperature. And then this is the medium warm temperature. So you guys can see the difference now. Now I'm gonna switch this over so you guys can see how it looks, and because right now it's a desktop ring light, so it comes with this little tripod here, which is pretty sturdy, so it's pretty like stable, doesn't move or anything like that. It's not shaky at all, and I think I really enjoy this. I really like this. And so basically you can just spread, and so basically you can spread the legs here to, you know, to get your desired length, and then you can bring it up together, and you can even use it like a I don't know, like you can just move around with it and like, you know, walk around your house. And like if you're on FaceTime with someone, you know, you can get this sick ass lighting. And also it comes with this phone holder. So basically I'm just gonna put it on so you guys can see how it's like. So okay you guys, so I've just mounted my phone on the ring light and it looks fabulous. I think if you guys film, if any of you guys film with your phones, and if you make TikTok videos or YouTube videos, Instagram videos, whatever, this ring light is perfect because your phone just sits there still and it looks fabulous. So I think that was a good purchase. It works really well. I really like it, and I think it's really worth the money. I will let you guys know in my next video if the ring light works on my normal tripod, and if I can fit my normal Canon camera on there as well. And so for the ring light, that's it. I will do a separate video testing the mic now, and so stay tuned for that you guys. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.